Understanding water availability, a guide to an essential resource. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important and timely topic: water availability. Understanding this concept is crucial, not just for our daily lives but for the health of our planet. So, whether you're learning English or just want to expand your knowledge, this video will shed light on what water availability means, why it matters, and how it affects us all. Let's get started. Water availability refers to the supply of freshwater resources that are accessible for human use. It's not just about the total amount of water on Earth, but specifically the water we can easily and safely access for drinking, farming, industry, and other needs. Freshwater is a tiny fraction of the Earth's water. Most of it is in the form of ice or groundwater. So, when we talk about water availability, we're focusing on this crucial, yet limited, resource. Several key factors influence water availability. Let's break them down. Climate. Regions with heavy rainfall tend to have more freshwater resources. Conversely, arid regions face significant water scarcity. Geography. The location of rivers, lakes, and aquifers affects where water can be accessed. Some areas are naturally richer in water resources than others. Human activity, agriculture, industry, and urban development can deplete or pollute water sources, affecting their availability. Water management practices. Efficient water use and conservation practices can enhance water availability, while poor management can lead to waste and scarcity. Water is essential for life. It's vital for drinking. Safe, clean drinking water is fundamental to human health. Agriculture. Water availability affects food security, as it's needed to grow crops. Industry. Many industries rely on water for production, energy, and cooling processes. Ecosystems. Freshwater habitats support a diverse range of plant and animal life. Understanding and managing water availability is key to sustainability, economic development, and preventing conflicts over water resources. The world faces numerous challenges in ensuring water availability for all. Climate change, pollution, and increasing demand from a growing population strain our water resources. However, there are solutions. Water conservation. Simple changes in daily habits can reduce water waste. Sustainable management. Policies and technologies that promote efficient use and reuse of water can help maintain water availability. Innovation. Developing new technologies for water purification and desalination can increase the supply of usable water. Thank you for joining me to explore the vital topic of water availability. Remember, water is a precious resource that we all depend on. By understanding its importance and taking steps to protect and conserve it, we can ensure a sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Stay curious, and keep learning. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.